Welcome to watch today's Fresham. It is a Georgian house in the Marylebone district of London, a residential area with a sober style because at that time the ornaments were not found on the outside but inside the homes. Refined and elegant, the best craftsmen of the time had been called upon for their execution. The exterior being rather simple and austere, the emphasis was on proportions. Proportions of the body and the building are linked and, when you live there, you feel very comfortable there, confides the architect Anais Blihot, co-founder with Dennis Austin of the London agency Daab Design. There is also a lot of ingenuity in the way of treating natural light and distributing it everywhere, even in the basement rooms or at the back.